since we won 2 years in a row, do you feel any pressure now?
Wow, I've been asked a lot of that questions because I know that a lot of people are thinking that it's going to be really impossible to secure the back-to-back-to-back. However, I am just thinking positively because in the end of the day, what matters is the journey itself. And I'm just really looking forward to have so much fun to meet the candidates in Miss Grand International 2026. So regardless if whatever may be the results, when I compete in India, I'm going to be very much happy about it because I know that I did my best in the end of the day.
Thank you, congratulations.
Before we proceed, may we have Cleopatra Barrera to join us here, our first runner-up. Saan na?
Ito sa likod. Ito.
Ano, ayaw na?
Ay.
Wala. Wala? Wala likod. Oo nga eh.
May hinahanap
Ayaw
yata
niya
eh. May hinahanap yata.
Okay, let's proceed with the next question, please. Drew
So,
Francisco.
my question is for Alexi. So, Alexi, we all know the laki ng fan base mo. And in Miss Grand, MGI All-Stars, malaking bagay na meron kang malaking fan base to begin with because of the votings and all that. So, ano sa tingin mo yung contribute na fans to your campaign in Miss Grand All-Stars?
First, as you mentioned, I think the support system is really there. Sometimes sinasabihin ko nga sila ng tama na pwedeng sa akin na lang isa na. Like, I think that they told me that parang they got inspired of the story of me and my childhood and my grandma. Sabi na parang they feel like parang anak na nito nila and they're helping me and supporting me. So every single day, they're giving me updates and this is not forgettable and all of that. So, hindi naman ako nag-force of them to help, but then at least I know that I have those solid people willing to support me. And I know that about to meet sa All-Stars, they're gonna do triple much to help me.
In follow-up question, how does it feel to get perfect net?
Oh my God, I was actually quite stressed kasi I wasn't able to rehearse back for until early. Kasi sabi ko, kaya ba ito? Pero syempre wala kayong choice, go naman do. So I was very happy when I heard 10, 10, 10, 10. Amazing naman to siya. I didn't know how to react, but I was very happy and very happy. And I hope that Rian is very happy. Thank you.
Ayan na po, let's welcome our first runner-up, Cleopatra Barrera from Zambales.
My question is for Anne. Anne, I think it is not a smooth journey for you. There are people and other critics are doubting about you joining here. Anong masasabi mo sa mga little trans that you have here that is also mga nahaharangan mga baka sa kanilang mga pangarap?
Thank you po. Actually, when I joined Reign of Filipinas, I thought there's another chance to compete together with me. Pero nagulat ako na mag-isa lang ako. Maybe because they are still afraid to compete and to try because they're afraid for what other people will tell them. Kasi nga parang ako in my entire pageant career for 15 years, this is my first time competing with the cisgender women sisters. So sabi ko parang bago ako dito, nangangapa din talaga ako. But now that I got the Reign of Filipinas MGI All-Star crown, feeling ko mas may inspire at next year, mas maraming sasali mga trans Pinay at magta-try sila because they saw someone na hindi tumigil and dinegma ang mga bashings and the homophobic and transphobic comments. So, feeling ko this is the beginning. And for me, that is my exact goal to compete. When I'm competing here in Reign of Filipinas, sabi ko, gusto ko gamitin platform to widen the mind of the people, to teach them, and to make them well-informed for what is transgender women all about.
Yung congratulations. Anong feeling mo na na-stop ang trans sa
Deserve. Sabi ko rin kasi magaling talaga mag-top ang mga trans. Kasi nga diba tayo, kami mga trans Pinay, ay lahat naman tayo Filipino. Filipinos are very, great, kung saan man tayo galing. Just like ating si Yana, diba, nanalo siya nakaraan, she's a grand champion. So, ibig sabihin lang doon, whatever your gender is, even you're a trans Pinay, kayang-kaya mong mag-top kapag pinay.
Congratulations.
Hello, kay Cleopatra. Sabi mo nga kanina, hindi na-expect na mapasama sa semis. Anong feeling na nagpakilala ka sa mundo ng Philippine pageantry? Ang ganda-ganda mo, lalo na lumabas ka ng gown. I mean, is this the first time nag-join ng national?
Yes po, it was actually my first national pageant. And if ibibilangin ko po yung national pageant, it was my first. Kasi one favorite province in my municipality, the national.
How does it feel na nag-shine ka tonight?
Honestly po, overwhelmed po. Hindi ko po kasi talaga i-expect. Sabi ko, top 11, super grateful na naging part of top 11. And then top 7, the first runner-up, who would have thought po. Kaya, I'm super grateful. And thank you sa Reina Pilipinas team kasi success ang Reina Pilipinas doon sa
The emerging beauty. Thank you so much.
I also have a question for the runners-up. In-announce na kanina that the second season of Reina Filipinas will be happening summer of 2027. Runners-up, are you planning to return for second season? Let's start with the ladies here on our right. Zaya and Lauren. Go ahead.
I like the name dropping though. Pero
Kasi pagod kami. Pagod kami lahat. Kakain kami, yes. And of course, magpapagaling muna ako from my previous na flu. Kasi nilaban ko naman ngayon. I think hanggang doon lang yung kinaya kasi nagkasakit tayo for the past few days. I don't know if it's quite obvious on my voice, but kung naririnig niyo ako, umuubo ako na yun. And yeah, it's a great opportunity talaga to be here in Reina Filipinas. Kasi being with these beautiful girls, beautiful ladies with me, they are such amazing people. And who knows, next year or the following years, maybe I get to join again. I should. You should. Tapos ang sponsor si Ate Ann. Diba? Laban? Mga mama. Tayo family
Super amazing with Ate Zaya. I'm not closing any doors. But I will rest po muna since I'm still a student and I have a business po. I'm a young entrepreneur. So I will focus muna po sa business ko so I can get more money. Para nakuha po ulit ang most popular book. Hindi po, yun po. Mag-iipon po muna ako ng bonggang-bongga. And of course, I will focus to my studies po muna. And Reina Filipinas is a great opportunity for me kasi kahit pa paano po nakilala po ako, nakilala po ang Caloocan sa national pageant. And I think ang buong Batang Kakalo are proud of me kasi they are looking up for me to get the title kahit runner-up lang. I'm so proud of na sobrang support nila sa mga votings na nakuha ko yung Miss Popular Vote. Actually, malapit na po ako mainis kay Ate Alexi kanina. Sabi ko, ano na yung support si Ate Alexi? Hindi ba titigil ito? Parang makakuha. Makakulan na ako ng chance. Sabi ko,
Sinend kanina.
sabi ko, buti na lang nag-close na yung votings ako kayo top 7. So yun, grateful din ako sa Reina Pilipinas na may ganun silang atake. Na may votings online para kahit pa paano yung mga girls na nawala ng chance to get in the first cut. May chance pa rin for the finals. And now, I'm here, the fourth runner-up of Reina Pilipinas 2026.
For me, I would say why not? I would always tell my the people kapag yung podcast namin, the interviews, or like, how are you feeling today? I would always say like, I'm so sad it's gonna be over because our pageant is cut short because it's parang malapit na nga yung Office Grand International, so the pageant was really cut short, so maikli siya. And I really did enjoy the experience of Reina Filipinas, and despite it being inaugural, they really made us feel that it's a big pageant, that we are very supported by a lot of friends, a lot of organizations, and a lot of people that really believes in our organization. So, with the question, why not? Diba? Baka pwede pa next year naman.
For me naman po, yes. Hindi ako titigil lang kasi wala pa akong kurot. Ilalaban ko po ulit ang Zambales. And my pageant journey po will not end here. Tutuloy pa rin po ako. Kasi grabe ang experience ko dito sa Reina Filipinas. Super grateful na naging part po ako ng inaugural Reina Filipinas. At magiging grateful pa po ako kasi magiging part ulit ako sa susunod. Sinalaban ko ulit ang Zambales! Oh, actually it was Miss Erat Montoya po. And siguro bibigyan ko na rin po kayo ng brief background about my gown. It was actually inspired by my name po, Cleopatra. Yes. Yes po. And also I incorporated po my province. Kasi alam po natin na West Philippines is located sa Masinloc. So as you can see po may mga blue. It represents po the beauty of our clear waters. Yun po ang meaning ng ating gown.
Alright, first of all, congratulations po kasi kayo po yung mga first winner ng inaugural ng Reina Filipinas. So my question is sa patuloy ka, ano ang mas mabigat? Yung corona ang suot ninyo or yung responsibilidad na kalakip nito?
Yung corona, joke.
Mabigat siya ngayon.
For me, I would say it's, of course, the responsibility itself. Because you have to be visible at all times. You have to prove that you're, of course, worthy of your title as well. You have to engage with a lot of people. And, I've always been thinking about this po ever since I joined Reina Filipinas. Because I grew up introvert. And in Reina Filipinas, I really learned how to engage and interact with a lot of people. And how to be funny in a way as well. With the help of my Kalog-Kalogan at Gracie sisters. And it's such an amazing experience for me. Kasi alam ko na it's also a training and a practice for me to, be able to socialize with people from different walks of life, with different personalities. So I see it as an advantage as well, like a good thing. So I guess it's a responsibility, but at the end of the day, that position is given to you for a reason. You should do your best to put yourself out there and inspire so many people. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I totally agree with Angelica what she said naman. Totoo, it's the responsibility when you have a crowd. Because this time around, you need to understand that you're not just carrying yourself, but then your country and the people and the organization that's in behind you. So everything you do, you need to be very intentional. You need to think of other situation first before you're doing something. So of course, I think my title international kind of helped me on learning how to accept pressure siguro. But I think what separates Miss Grand is that because I'm also like ambivert din. May time na I'm very social, may time na ayun na naman si Alexi may social. Yun na naman siya, mag-isa siya sa gilid. So I think this time around, I think that's what Miss Grand taught me, or Reina Filipinas taught me rather, is to don't be afraid to actually be yourself. Because then my fellow sisters will say, ate alam mo ba, akala namin dati, hindi ka na mapansin. Tapos ngayon, pagod na daw sila sa akin kasi lagi ako may tanong sa kanila. So I think it's really good, not only that it opens up more of your personality to show to people, but it's like helping you learn more, especially on business side. Because I have a business, I recently launched a business. So I'm learning so much, of course, with Reina Filipinas, with Sir Jojo, and with the rest of the team on how to handle the business and myself.
Ako, for me, copy-paste, Charles. Ayan, sa akin, lagi naman, every titles, mabigat talaga yung responsibility. Because especially now that I am the first transgender women na crown as Reina Filipinas and one of the transgender Filipina na magkukumpit sa MGI All-Star. So for me, I have two responsibilities. First, of course, I need to fulfill my reign as Reina Filipina. Second, I need to be a good example for my trans Pinay community. Kasi yung pagsali doon, hindi lang naman siya #baklaan. So dapat meron kang pinapakita na something na magpupulot ng mga bata that they are dream or valid. So kahit nadapa sila ng ilang ulit, just like me, literal, kahapon sa backside, sa rehearsal, nahulog ako sa stage. Yeah, I felt that's why I won. Charot! Yes, ayun po. So, mabigat yung responsibility literally, but I'm very willing to work. In every organization na katrabaho ko, lagi kong sinasabi, minsan mo lang siya gagawin, matatapos yung grade mo ng mabilis, gawin mo na lang sana.
May we ask the three title holders for a photo op first, and then later you will be joined by your runners-up.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we